But hey, here's a common question people ask me all the time. Hey, like, what? I'm looking for a T56 for my Fox body. Do you have one, or can you rebuild me one? The thing with the T56 is a lot of people confuse the factory T56s versus a T56 Magnum. Everyone assumes that T56 came in all these cars. It's very rare for a Ford application to find one and to get one that's good and actually worth your time and money to fix. But a lot of people ask me, why don't you have T56s in stock? Well, they're more common. The factory T56s are more common in the Chevy part of things. And the Camaros, the Firebirds, the GTOs, they're more common in those cars. But the problem is you can't swap one of those into a Ford. Different bell housing, different spacing. I'm sure there's adapter plates out there, but by the time you spend all the money in the adapters and all that stuff, you know, go T56 Magnum. Plus, this is what you guys got to understand, is they only made a T56 for a modular 4.6, was in the 2003-2004 Cobras. They only made it for 2 years for that car. Maybe like a Saleen S281 had one or something, but they only made them for 2 years. And guys, nobody's driving their 0304 Cobra like a grandma. Those cars are beat on and beat on and beat on. So do you think that by the time that you go out, you find an 0304 Cobra T56, and believe me guys, they're expensive. I seen them up to $4,000 for a used T56 out of 0304 Cobra. And by the time you open that thing up, not only may it have been rebuilt by somebody who doesn't know how to rebuild these or set up bearings, and you know, they're not familiar inside transmissions, but you're going to need to replace a lot of parts. They're most likely worn out. You're most likely going to have a noise, even if you replace everything you think that's worn out. It's just to the point where it's honestly not worth the time and money to go search for one, because they're hard to come by, especially in your local area. You can probably get one off of eBay, but you're gonna be paying top dollar for a can of worms, something that you don't know. So that's the gamble. It's in some cases it's much easier to just bite the bullet and buy that Magnum. That's something to think about. I would go T56 Magnum all day. Tremec still makes parts for those. They're supported. They can be repaired. Also, there's companies in Taiwan making gears, probably like this. I'm sure there's a few of them going around in the batch that this is going to happen to. So you're also gambling on some Taiwan aftermarket company that most likely does not have the same machining, treating, and OEM specifications as Tremec does when they make their gears. Go on Google, T56 Magnum, Fox body, Camaro, whatever car you got, and buy that Magnum. Thing can handle over 700 horsepower, foot-pounds. I think that's what they're rated for, but I'm pretty sure people are pushing 1,000 horsepower through those things. I think we could close it out there. It's getting hot. Scrap parts, man. Scrap metal.